everyone, this is Jill Cornelius, Creative Partner 247096. And for this video, I want to show you the September 2021 Kiwi Club. This one is called Wild Soul. And I like the colors so far. Okay, here's the 4 little paper hole protectors. I just put those in my pile. I have a pile of 12 there now. Let's go through the paper. Hold it. Let me show you the back. Okay? In this template set, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 templates. Cute little hedgehog. Is that what it is? It's a hedgehog to me. In this kit also, the sets that would look really good with it are the lacy trims, which is an accessory. It's a larger accessory. And the woodland creatures, which is really cute. You can build your little creatures like a fox or a, I think somebody even did a panda bear, a bear, a raccoon. You can do anything with that set. So let's look at the templates first. This is my 3rd video of the night, so I'm trying to mix it up a little bit. I'm going to keep them anyway, so they're mine. This kit came when I was in Florida visiting my mom for her birthday. And all I could think of when I was there was my kids there. No, not really, but this is number 2. It's a toadstool. Part of a toadstool. That's the name of the set, toadstool. This is number 2. It could be a flower or the top of an acorn, which is really what it is. Here's the bottom of the acorn and the top. Very cute. They're very small too, so be careful. Here is a tree stump. You could use wood grained paper for this. They used to sell it. I'm pretty sure they do still. This is number 6, toadstool. This is really cute. Okay, here's the little critter. Here's the first part, and then the second part of him. Gotta figure out how to do him. I want to make him. He's really cute. And then we have mushrooms or toadstools. Same thing to me. Probably not really, but that I'm gonna go with it. There's one, and then there's a much larger one. Make a gnome with the gnome set. Stick it under the toadstool with an umbrella or a bucket. Really cute. Love it. Let's look at, we're going to look at the paper last. We're going to look at the cards next. And yes, I go through every single card, front and back. Blessed are the curious, for they shall have adventures. Ha! I'd like to add words. Looking sharp. You can use that with that little critter there. Side A. Our friendship is on point. Side A. Side B. This is the paper that you could use to cut the tree stump out of. It's a magical world. Let's go explore. May your search through nature lead you to yourself. Journaling card, side A, side B. I have so much room in my heart for you. Okay, that's cute. Corny, but cute. Side B. Journaling card, our great adventure. Side B. One of my most favorite quotes is, never walk away from an unexpected adventure. Today's highlights. So when my husband said, hey, let's go on a trip, I'm like, okay. Because it was an adventure in someplace I really haven't been before. Let your feet wander, your eyes marvel, and your soul ignite. Side B. You're interesting, you're different, and I like that. Side B. Take only memories, leave only footprints. Side A. Side B. Wild Soul. Thankful for today. Side B. Adventures in the forest. Side A. Side B. Wood grain paper again. So if you weren't going to use that, you could use that for the tree stump. Wild About You. So those are the cards that come with the kit. Let's look at the paper. That's really cute. Toss it on the ground. Okay, the first page, it's sort of like a charcoal gray. Not really black, charcoal gray with all these pretty mushrooms. It's very pretty. Side A. Side B. Love that. Side A. Side B. Ooh, I love that. See, if I don't like one side of the paper, I'm probably gonna love the other side. These are all these acorns. Now, for those of you who don't know, I live in Texas, and the trees really don't change colors here. The leaves just fall off. But I was walking tonight, and there was one tree over near the community pool, and the leaves were this color. Do you think it would be silly of me to go take a picture of it and scrapbook it? My husband would think it was normal. Side A. Side B. Side A. Oh, he's cute. Love that. Side B. Gotta figure out how to use... Yeah, I'll use that side. Side A. Side B. Ooh, plaid. I love plaid. Why can't they have 2 sheets of this? Okay, so there's 2 sheets of this paper. Okay, so you get 2 of these, and then that's side B. And 2 sheets of this paper. It's an orangish color, and there's like little scallops. If I put it right, there's scallops in there. It's cute. Side A, side B. So all in all, I love the colors of the paper. Some I really love, like the plaid. Love that plaid. And the foxes and the hedgehogs, really cute, like that. And that one. Oh, did I show you this? That's side B of the acorn one. Don't know which side I'd use. Side B. I like side B. Okay, so this is the Wild Soul Kit. It's the September 2021 Kiwi Lane Kiwi Club Kit. I'm going to put all my paper back in there. I like to keep everything together until I'm ready to use it. I am going to put a link to my website, my Facebook page, links everywhere so you can see what I do. If you'd like to join my group, just send a request and I'll add you. Anyway, thank you for joining me tonight. I think I might be doing one more video with new products, but I might do a live. Not sure yet. Gotta eat dinner. Gotta work on crafts. Anyway, thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a great night. Good night.